The YIHUA 982 Soldering Station Kit is designed with a cartridge-type soldering tip that integrates the heating element and thermocouple, allowing it to reach soldering temperature within 2 seconds. It features a digital LCD display that shows real-time information including the actual temperature, set temperature, and power meter, making it easy to monitor the soldering iron's status. The station maintains a steady tip temperature through its PID temperature stabilization function and offers a wide temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. Additional functionalities include 4 preset channels, digital temperature calibration, sleep mode, auto-shutdown, and Celsius-Fahrenheit conversion. The built-in metallic rack facilitates easy cartridge changes and storage, while the elevated cable guide enhances the precision of the soldering handpiece. Users also benefit from a 12-month manufacturer technical coverage and 24/7 professional assistance, ensuring reliable support for the product.